been married as long as we have. We do things together.
You think 20 years just happens?
No, it does not. Now tell us fast about your nonsense so I can plow your mother on the staircase.
Yeah, what kind of photo shoot was it?
Did they take a picture of you eating a whole pizza pie next to an astonished chef?
Actually, Evan thinks I'm a natural and that I'm gonna be a huge success. He thinks I could be a famous model.
You famous? Now, come on, Meg. Your only chance at fame would have been as the dog on Frasier.
Well, of course I respect my father. He's a vet.
Woof!
Not that kind of vet.
So, where exactly are we going, anyway?
Brian, I think the road has a way of telling you where you're going. There. Rhode Island.
This is a missing persons alert from the Green City Police Department, the Emerson County Sheriff's Office, in conjunction with the Utah State Department of Public Safety. The Green City Police Department, Emerson County Sheriff, and the Utah State Department of Public Safety have reported numerous missing persons from across Green City and Emerson County. Cities including Green City, Green Valley, Green Acres, Riverton Valley, Acer City, and Callaheo Village. The Utah State Department of Public Safety advised residents around the state to, if they see any of the missing persons, contact the Utah State Highway Patrol. Any information is greatly appreciated as their mission to return these people to their families. Once again, any residents around the state that see any of the missing persons, contact the Utah State Highway Patrol. Any information is greatly appreciated. Remain alert, remain watchful, and remain safe.
You were right, Joe. This is awesome. I've never won anything. Well, except for when I won that Tory spelling bee.
Peter, your word is equine.
Peter reached this round by accurately spelling collagen, repulsive, and botched.
God, I can't believe you're still at work, Padma. It's like 2 in the morning.
No, it is noon here. Do you not know about time zones?
Oh, yeah, oh, that's right. You guys are on metric.
Oh, you're in here?
Yeah, I'm on the phone.
Is Chris down in the laundry room?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, looks like this is gonna be a stand-or-upper in the garage. Uh-oh, 6%. Better hustle.
It's so nice to talk to you, Brian. You make me feel wonderful.
God, if only you weren't so far away. I wish I could just somehow magically appear there and meet you in person.
Oh, Brian, that would be like a dream. Okay, I should go. I have 11,000 people on hold.
Goodbye, Padma.
What the hell's going on? Somebody's screaming in the garage. Why are you still up?
Because I'm in love.
Oh, with that Indian chick? What was her name? Dot?
No, it's not Dot. It's Padma. And I have to be with her. Stewie, I'm going to India.
Oh my God, I'm going with you. My yoga class will be so jealous. Hey everyone, the guy I told you about, Brian, he's taking me to India. Ah!
following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah State Division of Emergency Management. This is a statewide civil danger warning. Listen carefully, as this alert is vital for your safety. The missing persons cases within the state of Utah that originated from Green City has deteriorated. At around 3:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, more missing persons reports have been confirmed within the state. In addition, an entity known as the Lurker has been confirmed to be responsible for the numerous missing persons. This entity is a black, skinny humanoid figure with white eyes and razor-sharp claws. It is being strongly advised that you avoid this creature's line of sight, as it can and will abduct and potentially kill you. The Utah State Division of Emergency Management will be coordinating ways to contain this creature. Residents are advised to not go outside under any circumstances and remain out of the creature's line of sight. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
Have fun, not take over.
Look. Say something! And I turn around, and I don't know what happened to my wife, and now I'm all alone, and I'm just so scared.
Okay. Do you want to go look for your wife, or you want me to finish the makeover?
I guess we might as well finish up here. When I find her, I want her to go, wow. Lois! Lois!
Lois! Lois!
Is your wife named Lois, too?
No, but I figured if she's banging a guy like you, I got a shot. Lois!
Hey, what are you... Lois!
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 Wait, hang on a second, Shelby. I can't hear you over my brokers. Buy! Sell! Buy! Buy!
Wow. Buying and selling?
Yeah. Well, I'll see you Saturday. I better go. My helicopter's here. Fadoo!
Are you still... By the way, you have no idea what a helicopter sounds like. Are you still keeping up this charade?
Yeah, but it's perfect. Shelby's already off work, so I'll just grab the ring and we can bring it back before they close.